Qingdao Rui Jie Plastic Machinery Company Limited, located in Qingdao City, Shandong Province, is a professional manufacturer in plastic extrusion machines, focuses on plastic machinery manufacture for more than 22 years. Rui Jie has more than 13,000 square meters workshop and 56 workers. Rui Jie has professional technical team, good service sales team, and high-level after-sales service team, who can provide customers with professional turnkey projects. Rui Jie main products are SPC flooring machine, LVT flooring machine, PVC, WPC foaming board production machine, PVC panel wall production line, PVC, WPC profile machine, PP, PE, PET, PLA sheet machine, high-speed corrugated pipe machine, PVC, PP, PE pipe production line, recycling production line, and other auxiliary machines, etc. Rui Jie SPC flooring production line has number of patent certificates, is the Chinese flooring standard drafter, and has received many honors from the government. Qingdao Rui Jie is a high-tech enterprise with advanced production technology, high degree of automation. Machines are exported to America, Russia, Switzerland, Germany, Africa, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and other countries and regions, especially has offices and after-service team in Vietnam and India, which can service customers well. Qingdao Rui Jie strives for excellent, high-quality machines, devotes to help customers create profits. Win-win cooperation for the purpose. Looking forward to your visit and cooperation with you.